All right, day 23, it's time to get it done. It has been raining all day, but it cleared up just in time for me to do this. And it's cold, so I'm gonna make this quick. Halfway done. Haven't stopped at all today, so my goal is to get around this whole thing without stopping. I don't have rides today, so it's a little bit easier, but no breaks today. I finished in 30 minutes and 44 seconds. No breaks, all the way around the track. 30 minutes and 44 seconds. I am just a little bit excited. No, I'm super excited. That's what I've been wanting to do, was 30 minutes and no breaks, and I've done it. Day 23, so I guess tomorrow I'm gonna go up on weight. We'll see how that goes. Yeah, I'm just pretty excited. So that's all I got today. Go do something hard today. I'll see you tomorrow. See ya. Bye.